Welcome to the GC Marshall Draft Pick Part 2. As you can see, there's the ballot, and we will go to the ballot.
Let's go.
I will now pick draft number 6. Shuba Luba. It's Yui.
Oh my God, it's Yui.
Where's the
Woo! Yui.
I will draft number 7. It's Philip.
Oh my God, it's Philip.
It's Philip.
Teka lang, sama pa kaya natin si Philip? Kasi band, ano siya eh. Band member siya eh.
Okay lang yan.
Sige. Sige, para fair.
Sige.
Kay Philip na lang yun. Sige.
Number 8.
Sa pilitat daw, boy.
Who's this?
Sino yan? Carlo! It's Carlo! Oh my God, yung baguhan. Swerte naman nun.
Hindi, akala ko si ano? Carlo ba din? Ang conversation. So unprofessional, ano? Drafty
My
number
tips are
9.
getting bigger. Drafty number 9.
It's Kaz! Oh my
God, it's Cas! Oh! Before Sonar picks the number 10th entry, I'd like to thank my mom, my dad, and God above Almighty for my number 1 single. Suck your mama! Okay.
Grabe. Ryan Magno.
Oh yeah, man. Well,
So that's...
yay! Palakpakan naman dyan. Wala tayong audience eh. As you can see, the 10 draft GC Marshalls are now chosen. So, Shlomo, fair and square. Good evening, guys, and have a good night.